Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, the AR7 Reviews. Today, we are doing a short synopsis of some upcoming movies or series that will be coming on the various OTT streaming platforms by the end of July. In this video, we will be discussing about 4 such movies or series. We will be making such videos for every month going forward, so make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified about our videos. Also, if you are new to this channel, do check out our other interesting review and analysis videos. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. Netflix recently released the trailer for Raat Akeli Hai, an upcoming murder mystery starring an ensemble cast led by Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Radhika Apte. The film marks the directorial debut of casting director Honi Trehan. The trailer shows Nawazuddin in the role of a policeman named Jatil Yadav, investigating the murder of a local wealthy politician. While the family of the politician who was killed during his second wedding claims it was an accident, Nawaz's character Jatil Yadav feels that there is more to it. During the course of interrogation, he senses something fishy is going on, and that each member of the family is hiding something. As the pieces begin to fall in place, Jatil faces obstacles in the form of his own boss, who is played by Tigmanshu Dhulia, and also from a sinister politician. Even his partner begins to wonder why Jatil is so invested in the case, which seems like an open and shut case on the surface. Radhika Apte is seen playing the role of a mysterious woman who is the new bride of the dead politician. The trailer also shows Nawazuddin inclining towards Radhika's sequence of events and using her inputs to try and solve the murder case. The premise of the trailer somewhat gives a resemblance to a Hollywood film called Knives Out, wherein no one can be ruled out as a suspect. It will be interesting to see how this one unfolds. The movie will be released on Netflix on the 31st of July. Number 2 on our list is a movie called Loot Case. A new trailer for Kunal Khemu Rasiga Dugal starrer Loot Case has been released, and it promises a laugh riot with multiple characters adding to the drama. The film also stars Ranveer Shore, Gajraj Rao and Vijay Raz in funny avatars. The trailer opens with a middle-class man Nandan Kumar, played by Kunal Khemu, finding an unclaimed suitcase filled with 2000 rupees currency notes. As he takes it home with the hope of fulfilling his unfulfilled dreams, two different contenders in the movie go all out to look for the missing suitcase. Gajraj Rao, who plays a cunning MLA, assigns an honest cop played by Ranveer Shore with the task to find the bag. Also in the movie, a Don, played by Vijay Raz, is hell-bent to find it at any cost. It will be a fun movie to watch given the decent comic cast. Who will actually get to keep the money in the end remains to be known. Loot Case will premiere on Disney Plus Hotstar on July 31st. On number 3, we have a web series called Avrodh, The Siege Within. It promises to showcase a different side of the 2016 surgical strike conducted by the Indian Army on terror launchpads across line of control. Starring Amit Saad in the lead role, who is seen as the commanding officer of the team, the web series is based on a chapter from a book named India's Most Fearless by Rahul Singh and Shiv Arur. The trailer opens with Neeraj Kabi, who is presumably essaying the role of National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, stating that every Indian knows about the surgical strike but not enough people know the real story behind it. What follows is some diplomatic and mostly military preparation for the strike. With Vicky Kaushal's starrer Uri the Surgical Strike already being a blockbuster, there are chances of this series being compared with that film. The series premieres on July 31st on Sony Live platform. And the final one on our list is Shakuntala Devi, starring Vidya Balan, Sania Malhotra, Amit Saad and Jishu Sengupta. The film is a biopic of the mathematical genius Shakuntala Devi, who earned the name of human computer for her dazzling skills with numbers. The trailer opens with a quirky Vidya, aka Shakuntala Devi, who charms with her funny antics as she introduces the viewers to her best friend Maths. She says it has no rules but only magic. It then goes on to show a glimpse of her journey from being a child prodigy who expresses her wish to go to school, on which her father replies, quote, "What will the school teach you? Instead, you will end up teaching the school." The trailer then goes on to show Shakuntala flying to London, where she proves her computational prowess and gets her name registered in the Book of Guinness World Records. Everything looks like a cakewalk for her until she becomes a mother. It also throws light on her personal life as she struggles with motherhood, where she is seen at loggerheads with her daughter played by Sania Malhotra. The bittersweet relationship of the mother-daughter duo hints at the tons of drama that the film promises. A genius mind can do no wrong is a myth that we have held on for too long. And perhaps this film will help us establish the fact that we all are as fallible as the other person in the room. The biopic releases on Amazon Prime Video on July 31st. And lastly guys, Dil Bechara is now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. I'm sure many of you might have already watched it on its premiere. But if you haven't yet, please go watch this emotional roller coaster of a movie that will leave you in tears, and more importantly watch for Sushant Singh Rajput's one last act as he mesmerizes us with his screen presence. This is the least we can do as a tribute to him. So that's it guys, those were some upcoming movies or series that will be dropping soon on various OTT platforms. Hope you guys enjoyed our review of these trailers. We will be coming up with such more videos on upcoming trailers and stuff. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a video. If you liked this video, hit the like button and comment down your views. Also comment down your feedbacks on what all things you would like us to make videos on in the future. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Until then, stay safe, keep supporting. Peace out.